Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So today is a pretty exciting day. Today I am supposed to be getting a new student in my class. This is the first time that I'm getting a new student ever in my class, and so I'm not entirely sure how this is going to go, but I do know that I need to like prepare all the materials for her, so like their notebooks, classwork books, folders and stuff like that, give them a seat. And so other than that, I'm not really entirely sure how this is going to go, but I plan on going over routines, going over procedures, just so that they can get a real feel and sense of what the class is like and how to assimilate themselves into my class. I am going to pair them with a few students so that they feel comfortable and relaxed and welcome into our classroom. Thankfully, I do have a lot of students who are very inviting and friendly and helpful with that, so I think that it's going to go well. This morning we also have a Chinese New Year celebration assembly where we'll have some Chinese lion dancing, and that's going to be exciting because it's always really fun and really cool to watch, so I'm excited for that. Hey, what's up guys? So this morning we had our new student come in and we did introductions, but we didn't really have a lot of time because we had our Chinese New Year assembly with line dancing, and so that only gave us about like 10 minutes of time to go over like morning routine and attendance and stuff, and then we had to go down to the yard to watch the performance. So other than that, the performance was really cool to watch. It was really fun. The kids loved it. The line dancers were even like interacting with the crowd, like they were snatching kids' sweaters, and they were like playing with the kids, and the kids were like trying to pet them. It was really fun to watch. It was really funny. But yeah. Right now they're at recess, so after recess we will have library, which gives me some time to prepare some stuff for my lessons. Today we're going to go over some more landforms, so I prepared some anchor charts. Today I think we're going over deserts, so I prepared this anchor chart and we're going to go over it for like a guided shared reading type thing. So yeah, I got this anchor chart which I wrote out completely by hand, and it took a long time, to be honest, but it was really relaxing. You know, I like making anchor charts. I think it's a good way to like decompress from the long day. But I got these informational articles off Teachers Pay Teachers, and so I could link those down below, but this is basically where I got all the information and copied it basically by hand so that I could give out a handout to my students to read on their own. And so we're going to do an activity on that, and then we will have library right after. So yeah, I will see you guys later. So it is the end of the day. We had some great discussions today. I'm reaching for a book. Today I read this book out loud to my students. It's February, so I decided we should do a little bit about Black History Month stuff. I'm going to do several read-alouds about civil rights leaders and different Black History Month figures. So today we read about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and it led to some really great discussions, and I was so surprised by my students. They were saying a lot of great stuff and making a lot of great comments. So we had some great discussion about civil rights and segregation and all that great stuff. Well, not great stuff, but all those great topics. And so at the end of the day, they were very good. We just still have a lot of trouble, you know, focusing and paying attention, but that's nothing new for my class. Anyways, tomorrow I have a sub day because I will be doing reading assessments all day, so I need to plan and prepare for my sub tomorrow and then get everything ready for my sub. I already know who my sub is, and so basically they're very familiar with my class and my class routine, so I'm very comfortable with them leading the class, and so all I have to do is compile my sub binder and then I am able to leave. So I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so I have just finished compiling my sub binder. I can walk you guys through that if you want to take a look. So for my sub binder, I have my plans as usual in here. And then when you flip it open, this is the worksheet that they'll be doing while they read. So we're focusing on character traits. And so they'll write the main character's name and then show the character, I guess, draw it here, share the character's thoughts, share the character's action, and then share the character's words. Then this is a worksheet that we always do after lunch. So they'll finish this, turn it in, and then this is an article on deserts. So we're focusing and learning about landforms right now. So this is an article that came in a package about landforms on Teachers Pay Teachers. So they'll read this article, and then on the back there is some questions, so desert evidence questions, and they could read it, and then it'll have them do like reading strategies, like highlight evidence in red, why is plant life scarce, and so they'll go through and just answer the questions. So yeah, that's my sub binder. I'm probably also going to leave a few read aloud books for my sub to read, since sometimes there's always downtime and read alouds are always a really easy thing, and I don't like to overwork the subs or give them too much stuff to work with, because it can be a bit tedious for them to try and work some routines into the day, because the kids can be crazy. So yeah, I'm going to head out now since I am done with all of that work, and I will see you guys later. Bye.